If you're looking for a game-changing AI tool that's just been released and wondering if AskVids AI is the right fit, you're in the right place. In today's video, I'm breaking down the 7 crucial things you absolutely need to know about AskVids AI before you start using it. Stick around until the end because I'll be revealing something that could make your decision much easier, and I'll share my personal recommendations for other AI software after trying thousands of them. So, what exactly is AskVids AI? Essentially, it's an AI-driven video creation tool designed to help you quickly turn your ideas into high-quality videos without any experience or expensive software. It's incredibly user-friendly and comes with a ton of features that make it stand out even in an overcrowded AI space. Whether you're a marketer, content creator, or business owner, this software promises to save you time and boost your productivity. One of the first things you need to know about AskVids AI is its intuitive interface. You don't need to be a tech expert to navigate it. The dashboard is clean, and everything you need is easily accessible, making the learning curve nearly non-existent. If you've ever tried other video editing or AI tools, you know that a smooth UI is essential to stay productive. With AskVids AI, you can get started creating professional-looking videos in minutes. Next up, AskVids AI is powered by advanced machine learning algorithms. These algorithms help the software understand your input and automatically generate video scripts, visual elements, and even voiceovers in multiple languages. This is a huge advantage if you want to scale your content creation without having to do everything yourself. Whether you're running a YouTube channel, promoting products, or managing social media, this AI software streamlines the whole process. A standout feature of AskVids AI is its ability to personalize video content. It's not just about creating generic content. It helps you tailor your videos to specific audiences, making your videos more engaging. The AI analyzes your target audience and ensures the video's tone and style resonate with them, which can lead to higher engagement rates. For businesses and marketers, this is an absolute goldmine, as it allows you to create more effective ads and campaigns. What makes AskVids AI even better is the integration with other tools. It works seamlessly with your favorite video platforms and social media networks. Whether you're using it for YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, or TikTok, you can create, edit, and directly post your content, all within one platform. No more jumping between apps and wasting time. This AI has made everything super efficient. One feature that may interest marketers is the analytics. AskVids AI doesn't just help you create videos, it also tracks their performance. You'll get in-depth insights about how your videos are performing, which elements are resonating with your audience, and areas where you can improve. This data is critical for anyone who's serious about growing their online presence. If you're thinking about scaling your content efforts, AskVids AI makes it easy with automation. You can set up workflows to automatically generate and schedule videos, saving you tons of time. This is perfect for people who need to publish videos regularly but don't want to spend hours on every single post. Automation is the key to maximizing efficiency and consistency. Lastly, one of the best things about AskVids AI is the value it offers. You can try this software completely free from the link in the description below. There's no commitment, so you can test it out and see if it fits your needs. I highly recommend taking it for a spin and seeing how it can improve your video creation process. To wrap things up, AskVids AI has a lot of promise. Its ease of use, powerful features, and automation capabilities make it a must-try for anyone serious about creating engaging video content. If you're new to the software, be sure to check out the link in the description below to start using it for free and decide for yourself. Also, after trying thousands of AI tools, I've compiled a list of my top recommendations that you can try out for free as well. So make sure to check those out and see how they can help you in your content creation journey.